I feel hesitation while speaking English.
I understand many learners feel the same way when they try to express themselves.
I want to speak fluently, but my words stop midway.
That pause happens because your mind is busy translating instead of flowing naturally.
I feel nervous when others listen to me.
It helps to focus on the message instead of worrying about their reaction.
I struggle to find the right words in daily talk.
Building a small set of common phrases can make conversation smoother.
I feel pressure when I try to speak in groups.
Practicing with one supportive partner can reduce that pressure gradually.
I notice my voice becomes shaky in English.
Breathing slowly before speaking can calm your voice and give confidence.
I feel embarrassed when I make mistakes.
Mistakes are proof that you are learning, not failing.
I hesitate because I think people will laugh.
Most people admire the effort and appreciate your courage.
I feel stuck when I cannot continue a sentence.
You can pause, smile, and restart without losing respect.
I feel my mind goes blank during conversation.
Preparing small topics in advance can keep your mind active.
I feel shy when I try to speak with strangers.
Starting with short greetings builds comfort step by step.
I feel my pronunciation is not clear.
Listening and repeating simple sentences daily improves clarity.
I feel tension when I speak in class.
Looking at a friendly face in the room can ease tension.
I feel my grammar is weak while speaking.
Focus on communication first. Grammar will improve with practice.
I feel nervous when someone speaks fast.
You can politely ask them to repeat slowly.
I feel hesitation when I cannot understand everything.
Understanding the main idea is enough. Details can come later.
I feel worried about my accent.
Your accent shows your identity, and clarity matters more than perfection.
I feel uncomfortable when people correct me.
Corrections are gifts that help you grow stronger.
I feel pressure when I compare myself with fluent speakers.
Comparing only slows progress. Focus on your own journey.
I feel hesitation when I try to share opinions.
Sharing even simple thoughts builds confidence over time.
I feel nervous during introductions.
Practicing a short self-introduction makes the moment easier.
I feel hesitation when I forget vocabulary.
Using gestures or simple words keeps the conversation alive.
I feel anxious when I speak in meetings.
Writing key points before meetings helps you stay ready.
I feel hesitation when I try to answer quickly.
Taking a short pause shows thoughtfulness, not weakness.
I feel nervous when I speak with teachers.
Remember, they want you to succeed, not to judge.
I feel hesitation when I talk on the phone.
Smiling while speaking makes your tone sound confident.
I feel shy when I speak in front of friends.
Friends often support and encourage, not criticize.
I feel hesitation when I cannot pronounce long words.
Breaking words into smaller parts makes them easier.
I feel nervous when I join discussions.
Listening first gives you time to prepare your response.
I feel hesitation when I try to explain ideas.
Using simple sentences communicates ideas clearly.
I feel anxious when I speak in interviews.
Practicing common questions builds confidence for interviews.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak with native speakers.
Native speakers usually appreciate your effort and patience.
I feel nervous when I speak in public places.
Starting with small sentences reduces nervousness gradually.
I feel hesitation when I cannot remember phrases.
Repeating phrases daily makes them part of memory.
I feel shy when I try to speak loudly.
Speaking louder shows confidence and helps others understand.
I feel hesitation when I try to ask for help.
Asking politely shows strength, not weakness.
I feel nervous when I try to share stories.
Stories can be short and simple, they still connect.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak with confidence.
Confidence grows when you practice without fear of a mistake.
I feel anxious when I try to speak in English clubs.
Clubs are safe places where everyone is learning together.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak with new people.
New people give you fresh chances to practice.
I feel nervous when I try to speak in presentations.
Practicing in front of a mirror builds presentation skills.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in debates.
Debates can be simplified by focusing on one clear point.
I feel shy when I try to speak with relatives.
Relatives often admire your effort and encourage you.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in shops.
Shops are good places to practice short sentences.
I feel nervous when I try to speak in airports.
Airports give real-life practice with simple questions.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in restaurants.
Restaurants allow you to practice polite requests.
I feel anxious when I try to speak in hospitals.
Hospitals require clear communication, so simple words help.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in banks.
Banks need clear instructions, so short sentences work well.
I feel nervous when I try to speak in offices.
Offices give daily chances to practice professional English.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in interviews.
Interviews reward preparation and calm delivery.
I feel shy when I try to speak in ceremonies.
Ceremonies allow short greetings that build confidence.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in classrooms.
Classrooms are learning spaces where mistakes are accepted.
I feel nervous when I try to speak in exams.
Exams test knowledge, not accent or fluency.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in buses.
Buses give small chances to practice casual talk.
I feel shy when I try to speak in parks.
Parks are relaxed places for friendly conversations.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in markets.
Markets give practice with bargaining and polite requests.
I feel nervous when I try to speak in hotels.
Hotels provide practice with polite service language.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in libraries.
Libraries allow quiet practice with short questions.
I feel shy when I try to speak in gyms.
Gyms give casual practice with friendly talk.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in stations.
Stations give practice with asking directions.
I feel nervous when I try to speak in shops abroad.
Shops abroad give real practice with international English.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in online classes.
Online classes allow safe practice with supportive teachers.
I feel shy when I try to speak in video calls.
Video calls give practice with eye contact and tone.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in group chats.
Group chats allow practice with short sentences.
I feel nervous when I try to speak in social events.
Social events give practice with introductions and greetings.
I feel hesitation when I try to speak in weddings.
Weddings allow polite greetings and small talk.